Sweet Dreams Bakery. It's Baker Mom and Baker Zoe. Can you guess what we're making, Baker Zoe? We're gonna make yummy banana split. All right, Baker Zoe has a blue bowl and Baker Mom has a pink bowl. Next, we're gonna take our bananas. Can you say banana? Banana. What color are bananas? Bananas are yellow. Yellow. Good job. All right, so we're going to take our banana and we're going to open. So now we're done opening the banana. Before we put it in our bowl, we're going to split it. That's why it's called the banana split. Right, and then we're just gonna cut our banana a little bit so that it fits nicely in the bowl. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut Baker Zoe, so we'll just cut a little bit of the banana to make it fit in the bowl nicely. And we'll go ahead and cut. So next we're gonna take our ice cream. So, is ice cream hot or is ice cream cold? Ice cream is cold. All right, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take our ice cream scooper. Can you say ice cream scooper? And we're gonna scoop out some ice cream. All right, and then once you scoop that out, you'll just pop it right in between your banana. I'm gonna do 2 and Baker Zoe's gonna do 1. Now that we have our ice cream, next we're gonna drizzle over some syrup. And today we have strawberry syrup. So that's our favorite. So just drizzle like that. Your turn. Good job. Very good job. Okay, all done. We have some fun star-shaped sprinkles. Now we're gonna put some sprinkles on our banana split. Like this. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Put it on yours. Yeah, so cool. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna top off our sundaes with a cherry. 1 cherry. And what color are cherries? Cherries are red. Here we go. Boom. Voila. Now we have a yummy banana split. Now, what do you say we try some of our banana split?